I don't feel like we can not dance. I mean, I've seen people in wheelchairs dance, so that doesn't make sense to me. I've never understood why people said that, like, oh, if you get an injury, you might have to stop dancing. No. What? That's crazy. That's the craziest thing I've ever heard in my life. That doesn't make sense to me. I mean, I did a battle on one leg, and not to brag, but I was able to win an event on one leg, so everything is possible. But it is, of course, important that we take care of our bodies and that we actually try to think of plans besides, you know, having the full capability, because you never know what happens, and that's true. I mean, I'm creating a backup plan right now.
Oh, please tell us about it.
I can't.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, sorry, no. No, I'm serious, like, I'm thinking of some things, but I can't speak on it yet because I'd rather do it instead of talk about it and then never have it to come true, you know? And everyone is like, yo, so what's up with that thing that you was going to do? So I'd rather not say too much about it.
Is it like, can you tell us at least, it's like an extension?
Meh.
I'm trying to like get something out of it. No, an extension of dance, like, or just you as...
It's an extension of art.
Of art,
yes,
okay.
That's what it is.
Okay, nice, thanks. Give an applause, guys.